Hey guys, how's it going?
If you guys want to put in the final destination into your GPS, just in case we totally get lost, we can at least be there.
CoderMan here. In today's video, I'm kind of just out with my son and my buddy Tim with his Fiesta ST and our buddy Cole with the Jeep behind me. And we're just grabbing some back roads, go for a ride. I'm not going to be using this camera. I have the POV, so I'm going to go ahead and set that up, look like a clown, and go for a ride. All right, I'm good to go. Ah. What do you say?
I have no idea.
Ah. What was that?
You guys go around and I splash into. Check your rear view next time you see a puddle.
You got one coming out right here. Ah.
What?
That looks like way too much fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go a little slow around people and other cars. Just avoid those potholes, so avoid them.
I heard potholes.
Yeah. I don't think you've ever been on this road before.
I haven't. It feels like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Good thing is, I really like roller coasters. He loops on the Hulk.
Oh, God.
Let's respect the bikers, or as Tedward says, respect the drive, but let's also respect the bikers.
This Fiesta is perfect for these roads.
Yeah, that thing tucks in fast when you go around corners. I mean, it's no slouch. It'd be fun to drive that on a track.
I think when you do the review of this car, this is where you should
about 30 seconds ago.
Passing him now.
So we're slowing up real good though, because everyone's kind of, there's a bunch of people around here. You'll catch us.
So you know why we like these roads? Basically a racetrack. Feels an awful lot like one.
So these roads on a weekday when there's no corona is just friggin' amazing. Like these dips, if you hit these and going like 70, it makes your stomach drop.
It's like a roller coaster.
A little bit of that 0G, huh? Alright, I'm gonna slow down even more.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Cole's the one behind us, so why don't we just slow up? We're missing the good parts. I'll tell you if anyone else comes behind me.
Just me, I see you.
Yeah, it's him. Go.
You good, Matt?
Say yes.
I'm good, go for it.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I caught up. Oh, the lift off oversteer, there was, or understeer, there was no understeer at all on that. That was awesome. Here, there might be a place to pull over here.
Pick something a little less dirt, please.
Okay, we'll find something with less dirt. Well, that's one less car, so maybe we might be okay. Horses, careful.
Horses.
Those are cops, I think.
I think so.
Why are they on horses?
You know, in a million years, I wouldn't expect to see mounted patrol out here.
Fastest way to stay capable on the trails.
That's true, yeah, there is a lot of trails around here.
And you don't get a truck around a lot of gasoline. You guys want to go where this guy is not going?
We can try it, I've never been down there. Might be our shit show.
Another Fiesta ST. You guys see that other black Fiesta ST?
Yeah, he was having some fun too, and then that Subaru was really moving.
Subaru hit one of the corners. He was on the yellow line. I was almost on the yellow line with him. We nearly clipped mirrors.
Oof.
Kind of terrified.
From 43 to 46.
What do you mean?
You went
Slowing down?
from 43 miles to 46.
Oh, because it depends on how fast I drive.
Here's a tight one.
That road was a rock and roller coaster.
Yeah. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that. As you can see, the car needs fuel. I need food. Everything's closed right now because of, you know what? And we're basically just gonna head towards home, maybe grab some ice cream along the way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Part of the roads were a little slow, but I think some of them were really fast. It's a great space. If you're down around the Plymouth area, you should definitely hit it up. As you can see, it's about 60 degrees outside. You can see motorcycles going by me. It's a beautiful day out. Everyone's having fun. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Damn, I missed my bike. All right, guys, catch you later.